Greetings mutants. I've come out for a little quick walk, St Mary's Vale, north of Abergavenny. I've come out in my new Vivobarefoot FG Tracker boots. Just thought I'd give them a spin, see how they go. I put them on in the house and wasn't too sure. I haven't had that much amount of material, leather around my feet in years, because I've been wearing Vivobarefoot trainers, ultra trainers for running. I've got the Ultra Escalante racers for road running. I've got Superiors and Alone Peaks for trail running. I've got the Ultra Kings for Spartan racing. In the gym I've got Vivobarefoot trainers. It's very minimal shoes all the time. Out and about I wear the Vivobarefoot Gobi 2 boots. So I wasn't really sure if all this leather was gonna work, but God, they feel good, they feel amazing. I haven't had a huge pair of hiking boots in ages, and they look like they should be as heavy as all those old school hiking boots, but they're really light, really good. Hear the cuckoo. I'm having a little test of a bit of trail running, but yeah, they're light. They're really light. The feedback through the soles is amazing. Obviously I'm feeling all the rocks and the twigs, but like all Vivobare feet, my feet are spreading out really well in the wide toe box, and yeah, they're light, they're amazing. I could keep running in these. They're hot. I've got a pair of darn tough merino wool socks on, but they're hot, they're quite warm. They've got a thermal footsole in them just to counteract how thin the soles are. Yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying them at the moment. I have to walk through a stream and see how the cold is, how it transfers through the boot, and how good the waterproof lining is. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. They're great. I didn't know whether to go for pair of ultras to carry on hiking with. And that's a big trend at the moment, is to use your ultra trail runners, your Lone Peaks or your Kings. But I'm glad I've got these. Feel a lot better about hiking in the UK in the wet and the mud, the dew, because they've got a waterproof lining. Now obviously if I get a dunk in, that water's not going to escape because it's a sealed lining. The benefit of walking in ultras, they're going to dry quickly, especially if you've got merino socks, etc. They'll keep your feet warm, but I just think the cold, the wet, I need the protection. I might change my mind, I might give it a go. I've got Ultra Kings in the house, but I'm definitely glad I got these, and they'll always be used, whatever, even as winter shoes. Amazing. Right, I'm going to have a little walk through the stream, see how they hold up.